Hi guys, Sourdough Kathy here, and today we finally finished the second box because we never got delivery of our boxes. So we took the old one, broke it down, and kind of threw together something, just something to get together to put our peas in. I've thrown some leaves in the bottom because I'm not worried about the peas. They're already growing and I have enough soil to come up way further than the roots will probably need to go. So I'm going to go now and start filling this baby up with some soil. Well, I got some soil and I'm going to start filling her up. This is all repurposed soil. A mixture of Pro Mix, and I'm going to throw in some worm castings as soon as I get this first layer down. As you can see, the sun is shining brightly today for the first time in ages. Last few days have been quite cool and miserable, especially for people like us who have back injuries and problems. But on days like today, this is when I love to be out with my hands in the dirt. Need a second dose. Alright guys, at this point I'm going to add some worm castings. Nice worm castings. Hope you could see that. Looks better than the soil itself. Wet. That won't hurt them. I have so much worm castings, I haven't decided what to do with them all. I was able to sell one shop a couple of buckets. They were amazed at what they saw. They said that so many people had brought in stuff for them to sell and it just looked horrible. They were impressed. Since it's a place where I can get growing things, I just had them put a $50 credit on my account, and so when I need something I can just go in there and get it. Okay. Since I don't want to turn it into bricks, that'll be the end of that. Don't need any more worm castings. And then I will probably need to get some more soil. Sorry if you're seeing the back of me there. Alrighty then. To finish the dirt. Okay guys, well, it took me 7 wheelbarrows full of soil to fill this up. So this is what I'm going to be planting today. These are Asian sugar peas. They're kind of like the big tall ones, only they're bush peas instead. And I'm going to tell you what I did, and you can see there's a lot of roots on the bottom of them. what I did, because I realized I didn't know when I was going to get these boxes, and obviously they never showed up. So what I did was I took a little piece of sandpaper, or you can take one of those things that you shave your feet with that have a little grit on them, and I rubbed it just enough to put a little crack in the pod itself. Then I did them all like that. Then I threw them into a bowl of water, and in 2 days they had tails sticking out of them. So I had gotten these little things ready to go, and now all I have to do is pop them in. Thank God, because normally these things take like 14 days to come up. At least they did last year, and it was a hot year last year. So considering the weather, I'm probably going to even overload this thing. They are bushes, so I'm not sure of how they're going to work. I'll use the better ones, the bigger ones to plant. You can see they have a very nice, I hope you can see that, root system. And I'm just going to start letting them sink in. Maybe I should have put a little bit more soil in here, or pressed it down to see how much I actually had. And I think I'm going to put 3 across, because I think it can handle 3 across, even though, wow, this one's really dry. I'll have to water once I get done with this. But I'm so glad that I did this, because if I hadn't, it would be another 2 weeks before they ever come up. I don't want you to have to keep looking at my back of my head or my behind here, so I'm just going to put a few more in, and I'm going to space them kind of weird. They're probably going to be very tight, but I want to use them all up, because this really is a crop for us that lasts the whole year. Peas, or rather not peas, they're beans. They last the whole year. So I'm going to finish this out, and I'll get back with you when I'm finished. Show you what it looks like. Okay guys, this is it. I got it all planted in, thank goodness. I am so thankful to my husband, and I am glad that we were able to get the peas in. I still have quite a few left. They're right over there somewhere. Can't even see them from here. But anyway, they're in, they're done. I'll find some pots to put the rest in. And I want to show you something really quick. It's our Chit. These are the ones that started from Chits, our potatoes. This was the first one that I didn't know was going to do anything, and it's looking gorgeous. And this was the second one. So I'm really interested to see what's going to happen with these two things here, and we'll let you know what's going on from there. Thank you for watching. I hope you keep watching, subscribing, commenting, anything you want to do, people. I love you all. Bye-bye now.